In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stacked side-by-side bar chart in Tableau. This informative guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you visualize your data more effectively in just 5 minutes. To get started, you'll first need to launch your Tableau application. Once the app is up and running, navigate to your worksheet. If you're not already familiar with creating a worksheet, don't worry. Think of it as your workspace where you'll organize and display your data. Now that you have your worksheet handy, we're ready to start the process of building out our chart. Begin by dragging a dimension onto the column shelf. In this example, we'll use state as our dimension. Dimensions in Tableau are fields that are typically qualitative, so they represent categories of data, such as a state or region in this case. Next, you'll want to add a measure to the rows shelf. Let's drag profit onto this shelf. Measures in Tableau are usually quantitative and can be aggregated, providing insights like sums, averages, or totals. With profit placed on the row shelf, you can now see how much profit corresponds to each state. The next step involves adding another measure to the row shelf to display alongside our profit data. In this example, we'll use margin. By having more than one measure, you'll be able to depict multiple variables side by side, providing clarity and comparison. Now, it's time to explore the different chart types available in Tableau. Locate the Show Me panel at the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This feature showcases various chart types you can use to visualize your data. Scroll through these visualizations and select the side-by-side bar chart. This option will display your different measures, such as profit and margin, side by side for each state, making it easy to compare them directly. Once your side-by-side chart is selected, there's a minor adjustment we need to make. Find the Marks field and you'll see the measure names displayed there. Simply remove the measure names to clean up your chart appearance and improve readability. Lastly, to add more depth to your visualization, drag a dimension like product type to the color shelf. By doing so, each product type will be visually distinct, providing additional insights into how different categories contribute to overall performance. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully created a stacked side-by-side bar chart in Tableau. This technique is a powerful way to analyze and communicate your data visually, making comparisons and insights clearer than ever. Thanks for watching and happy charting!